recommend you refer to the installation instructions before starting.
Hi, I'm Adam. In this video I'll introduce you to the new Type 212 outlet valve to suit the Geberit Omega Cistern.
The Type 212 flush valve replaces the current flush valve of the Omega Cistern. It's designed to make life easier with its compact size and handy to install and maintain. There are key improvements with the new Type 212 over the current flush valve. It is 10mm smaller in diameter, making it easy to install via the service duct in the cistern. The valve features a hold-down clip, which is much more convenient to secure in place. It is more accurate and easy to adjust the flush settings for a wider range of pan specifications. It comes with two side-mounted sliders. The bandwidth for full flush ranges from 3.5 to 7.5 litres with 6 levels. The half flush can be adjusted between 2 and 4 litres with 13 levels. Remove the flush button cover plate. Make sure to push the button sideways and lift out. Remove the push rods. Remove the flush button mounting plate. Remove the inner cover by lifting up and out. Remove the transmission block. Turn off the stop valve. Undo the water supply. Flush the toilet and let out any excess water if necessary. Remove the inlet valve. Remove the existing valve. Fold down the turn clips on the valve and undo the lock. Lift the valve from the basket. Turn the valve clockwise inside the cistern and lift the bottom of the valve towards the service opening. Lift the basket inside the cistern and remove it from the service opening. Place the new Type 212 basket into the cistern. Click the hold down clip on the bracket located on the cistern and lock it in. Place the Type 212 valve inside the cistern. Click the blue hold down clip onto the white basket clip and lock it in. Lift the blue handles in place on the valve. Install the inlet valve back into the cistern. Reinstall the inlet valve hose to the stop valve and turn it on. Install the transmission block and check that everything is aligned. Install the inner cover. Install the mounting plate. Push the button fixing clip in and give it quarter turn. Push in the blue locking pins on both sides. Install the push rods, push all the way in and quarter turn. Now you can install the flush button cover plate.
The Type 212 is a new and improved flush valve designed for easier installation, maintenance and optimum flushing performance. For more information, please visit your local Reece bathroom store or visit geberit.com.au.